Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Xcode and the Swift toolchain match the project. Once done, clean the build folder and delete derived data to remove stale artifacts that cause weird crashes. Then set an exception breakpoint and enable Address Sanitizer so you catch memory issues early. You're doing this first because stale caches and hidden memory errors are common crash sources. Catching them now saves time later and narrows where to focus your debugging efforts. Next, reproduce the crash with the debugger attached and inspect the stack trace to find the failing frame. Once you have that, run Thread Sanitizer and enable zombies to detect use-after-free and concurrency bugs. Add targeted logging around suspected functions. Make sure to audit all force unwraps, implicitly unwrapped optionals, and unsafe pointer code because these are frequent culprits. This focused diagnosis reveals whether the bug is logic, memory, or threading related, so you can pick the correct fix path. Finally, implement fixes. Replace force unwraps with guard let or optional binding, switch to serial queues or locks for shared state, and prefer safe memory APIs over unsafe pointers. Then rebuild, run the full test suite, and profile with instruments to confirm the crash is gone and there are no regressions. If the issue persists, capture crash logs, symbolicate them, and create a minimal reproducible case. That step makes it far easier to pinpoint hidden causes and ask for targeted help when needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.